What are you guys doing outside? Come on. You going out? You love the sound of that snow, right, Puka? Yes, that's actually for you, Gertie. Some chicken soup. Gertama Gerd. Gertama Gerd. Thank goodness it's starting to melt. Oh. Don't go too far. Coming back now? Come on. You guys do everything together, huh? Not a couple of babbies. No, that's just bean soup. The one in the middle is for you. Okay, Pook? Still having fun with that snow, huh? Pook? Pookie? I had a terrible, scary dream last night. I was tossing and turning, and I dreamed that I kept dropping Puka. It was pretty traumatic. Okay, guys, let's go. Come on. Come on, Gertie. Come on, Puka. Let's go, honey.